How to turn off passcode on iPhone iOS 18. So here is how to turn off the passcode on your iPhone. So all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen first of all. Then once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode option available in there. Then once you tap on it, enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Then scroll down and there you'll get to see Turn Off Passcode option available. It is currently not shown properly on my screen because I have my Face ID toggled on. All you have to do is go at the top and simply tap on the Reset Face ID. Then simply scroll down and you will get to see Turn Off Passcode option available. Now simply tap on it and confirm the turn off. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.